So today I am going to be printing on a polyester spandex blend. I've never done that before, so I guess we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I have a couple designs here. I still need to tape off the screen. I actually used a new emulsion for the first time, and I actually really like it because it only took me, actually I don't even know if they make it anymore, but it's Cryo Coat. Green Galaxy System. I don't know who it's by. I got it from Ryonet, so. So, we've got the polyester spandex shirt. I don't know. It's gonna be as hard as I thought. I'm pretty sure I need an additive because it's a super stretchy material, but we're gonna see how it turns out because I don't have the additive. So. I'm repping my Golden Press Studio shirt today. Yeah, I know. Alright, so I did one layer. I'm doing the second one right now. And you can see, let me adjust the camera. There we go. You can see that it's instantly just ripping the ink apart. So that's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to get an additive for sure. So today's a new day. Yesterday I had to go and get this guy right here. It's by Wilflex. It's, I believe, called Epic HD Clear 2. I don't know what that means, but apparently this is supposed to help with the stretching in the ink, so I just have to mix some of this with ink and see if that works. But yeah, this is the stuff that I got yesterday. So I already have a blue that I mixed up that I think I'm just going to use for this print. This is way too full. Not even mixed all the way. I'm so messy when it comes to handling the pastelsol ink. Alright, so I'm gonna mix this up a little bit more, and then I'm gonna pour some of it in here. interesting looking. Kind of weird. Oh, it's super thick. How weird does that look? Okay. I'm gonna start with a pretty hefty chunk, I think. So when I bought this stuff, the guy said that if you put too much of it in there, it'll change the color of the ink, which I don't want to do. And I'm just gonna use a piece of cardboard and scrape it off. I'm gonna start with that and see how that works. The texture in the ink, like when you're mixing it, after you mix it in, it feels exactly the same. Like when you're mixing it, it doesn't really feel any different. See if it works. Pretty blue. Ooh! We're gonna flash this and then test it out. If the additive doesn't work, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. There's gotta be some other options out there that will work. So, we'll see. Looks good. I'm gonna pull it off. So, let's test out the stretching. I hope that it works. Oh, it's actually working. Yeah, it actually does work. Okay. It's so weird that you can just add something to the ink and it, like, makes it more flexible. Alright, well, I'm not going to add any more to that, because I think this turned out really good. I'm pulling as hard as I can. Sweet, wow. Yeah, this stuff works really good. I would definitely recommend getting some of this stuff. I'm sure you can get it anywhere else, or like different brands of it. This is Wilflex. But yeah, I would just get this just to play with it, honestly, and do some cool stuff. It's super thick.